Hello everyone there at Conscious Kids. My name is Dr. D, and your teacher, Miss Tiara, told me that you guys are doing some awesome activities for Earth Week, and she reached out to me and asked me if I would talk to you about a special activity that you guys are going to do today. So, I'm not going to ruin the surprise yet. You're going to have to hang around and find out. So are you ready to learn about this special type of energy for this Earth Week activity? Well, get ready and let's go. Well, I'm sure living in Singapore that you guys feel the heat all the time, and you feel it especially when you're outside playing. Well, the heat that you're feeling is called solar energy. That's right, that's our special energy for today, solar energy. And solar means coming from the sun. And this energy from the sun comes in two forms, light and heat. Hey, did you know that the sun is 93 million miles away from Earth, yet we can still feel the rays of solar energy on our planet, which causes us to be warm? Maybe you noticed this, maybe you didn't. But did you ever notice that when you wear dark color clothes, that you feel hotter than when you wear light color clothes? Like Dr. D's lab coat. Well, there's a reason for that. You see, dark colors absorb the wavelengths that come from the sun and absorbs them and traps all that heat. That's why you feel hot with dark colored clothes. So if Dr. D right now was in Singapore wearing this shirt, I would be so hot right now. But something white or light colored, like my lab coat, actually reflects or bounces the wavelengths off of the coat, does not absorb the heat, and it keeps you cool. So, the next time you go outside to play, try wearing something light, and you will be less hot than if you wore something dark. So, people use the solar energy for a lot of reasons, right? Not just to warm the earth, which is a good thing, because otherwise we would be freezing, right? So what other ways do we use solar energy? I can think of two right off the top of my head, and you can think of additional ones or more. The two that I'm thinking of are greenhouses and drying clothes on the clothesline, right? How do you think these things get heated up? How do you think the greenhouse gets warm? And how do you think clothes dry on the line? It's from solar energy. Have you ever been in a greenhouse? I have. So what I would like you to do is turn off the video and either tell your teacher, Miss Tiara, or the person next to you over here, or the person next to you over here, or the person behind you over there. And I want you to tell them about what it felt like when you were in the greenhouse. And then when you're done talking about it, click the video back on and we'll continue. Hi, welcome back. Well, I hope that was a great conversation that you shared about being in the greenhouse. Now, what was I talking about? Oh, yeah. Solar energy. Thanks. I was talking about solar energy. Well, the sun can be used for more than just giving us warmth when we're cold or giving us light so that we can see. You see, the solar energy, the energy from the sun, is what's called a renewable energy. And all that means is that we can keep using it. It never depletes. It never runs out. We always have the sun, right? So we can always use it. And since we can always use it and it's always there, it's called renewable energy. There's also energy that's called non-renewable energy, but that's not the focus of what we're going to be talking about today. There are other types of renewable energy. Can you guess what they are? Wind, water, and the thermal, which means heat, the thermal energy from the earth. Those are also types of renewable energy. Well, did you know that the sun's solar energy can be converted into electrical energy that can be used in your homes right away? And did you know that this electrical energy can be converted to chemical energy and stored in batteries? Wow. Well, that's a hint about what you guys are going to be learning today with Miss Tierra. You're going to be learning about these things called solar panels. And solar panels, what they do is they capture the solar energy from the sun, and it's converted into chemical energy that's stored inside these cells that are inside the solar panels. And this energy can be used in your homes right away to make your refrigerator work, and to make your lights work, and to make crickets work. Crickets work? How would the sun's energy make a cricket work? Well, I'm not going to spoil the fun, because that's part of your activity today with Miss Tierra. You are going to be making a special cricket that has a solar panel on its back, and then it's going to do something amazing. So I'm going to leave now so that you can do your special activity with Miss Tierra, and I really, really hope that you send me pictures of your solar crickets and tell me how your experiment went. Bye! Happy sciencing, Dr. D.